So what are you doing? What are we doing now?
We're fitting an anode to the end of the propeller.
Okay, so what is an anode? I've been hearing this term over the last few months. What is an anode?
An anode is what they call a sacrificial anode, and that's because the anode is made of zinc, and it sacrifices itself with the cathodic reaction in salt water, and that means that it saves. The anode dissolves in the water, rather than the brass or the bronze. So what it's doing is it's taking all the bad corrosion away from the propeller, and it's putting it on the anode. So the anode disintegrates over a period of time and has to be changed probably once a year.
Really?
And if you see here, you can see this anode hasn't gone completely, but it's starting to go, and that's what happens. It gradually dissolves. And what's happening is it is dissolving, but it's not dissolving because of acid or anything. It's cathodic reaction.
So are you? Let me see if I understand you right. Are you telling me that the anode kind of attracts the corrosion rather than the corrosion happening to the propeller?
That's absolutely correct. Yeah.
That is very interesting.
Yeah. It's a natural phenomenon that salt water has the effect of creating an electrical current, and that electrical current dissolves metal. In the same way that when you have metal plated with chrome, for example, the process is controlled, and you're dissolving chrome metal and then putting it onto another metal. Well, this is the opposite. We're taking the metal out of the metal.
Wow. And show me the anode. So what is that? So that's what you're...
Yeah, so...
Wow. So that one little piece of metal is going to...
That's going to attract all the corrosion away from the stick and save the propeller.